Hi guys, so in this video I will talk about the importance of protein treatment and one of our favorites. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Janet, mom of 3 natural haired girls. I myself have long natural healthy hair care. So this is my middle daughter, so we're starting her wash day by detangling her hair using a humectant water spritz and a detangling oil. So in this one I'm using rapeseed oil to detangle her hair. So the star of the show for this is Green Beauty's Real Protein Treatment. It is designed to cater for everyone's hair, so from curly to relaxed natural hair. It's very simple and easy to use. It's one of our protein treatments that I really like, but I'll talk about some of the other ones in another video. So in order to use it, you need to use it with a protein-free deep conditioner. You need a bowl and a measuring spoon and an oil of your choice. In this video I'm using my Ayurvedic oil. You can also do the mix without using an oil, that's also an option. It's very important that you follow the instructions from the retailer or the manufacturer. So I think it was 2 tablespoons of the real protein treatment and then 2 teaspoons of an oil of choice, and then you mix this in with half a cup of a protein-free moisturizing conditioner of your choice. And in this one I'm using Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey. This is probably the only deep conditioner that I really like from Shea Moisture. It's inexpensive, but don't let that fool you. It packs a punch and does what it needs to do. Another really good protein-free deep conditioner that I like to mix our real protein treatments are also the ones from Healthy Hair Studio, Inches. Their protein treatment is also fab. It's also one of our faves as well. So scoop, you need to ensure you scoop everything in and then thoroughly mix it in. I'm going to use my mini spatula, but then I'll speed up the video so you guys aren't sat there just watching me mix for several minutes. Now, a lot of people think afro hair is so strong that surely you don't need a protein treatment. That's wrong. Protein treatments are so important in terms of strengthening and moisture retention for your hair. Strengthening because over time, everyday wear and tear can affect protein loss in the hair. And also, if your strand has, if it's quite frayed and has lots of holes and gaps in it, and you're not incorporating protein treatment as you should, and within whatever recommendation that you need, for example, for every 4 weeks or 6 weeks, then your hair will not retain as much moisture as it should either, because your strand has these gaps that need to be, refilled with the relevant protein treatments. So the way to use this is that obviously thoroughly detangle your hair. I've shampooed my daughter's hair, so now I'm going to go in and apply the protein treatment. I always do her hair in twisted sections. It's just to help me so I don't get overwhelmed and to minimize tangles reforming. So I apply the treatment all over her hair. I unravel each twisted section and I apply the treatment. I then wrap like a cling film or a shower cap over her head and I pop a heat cap on. Another option is to you can also use like a hooded dryer if you have that. You just want a way of providing a heated environment so that the treatment is able to penetrate fully into the hair. Let me know in the comment section if you are incorporating a protein treatment in your routine and which one is your favorite, or do you still need more help? So now this is after rinsing out the treatment. Her hair feels lovely. It's not hard. It feels strengthened and also a lovely softness to it. It says when rinsing it out, don't over rinse, because you do want a bit of the protein left in the hair to continue to reinforce, because you want something left behind to hold the hair together. So now proteins are a building blocks of our hair, so it's important to keep it in your routine. Using protein treatments or products that contain proteins can help to rebuild and strengthen the hair by filling in the gaps and damaged areas in your hair shaft. This can improve the hair's elasticity, which reduces breakage and restores a healthy, shinier appearance. So it's important to keep this in your routine, and don't forget to balance this out with moisturizing treatment. Kids ideally do not really need protein treatment incorporated as a guide until around the age of 4 or 5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, you'd likely enjoy my video on how to set up a natural hair routine. Click the following video that will pop up on the screen now, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.